Hello everyone, you know what we do, finding right and profitable business ideas for you today. We are going to discuss how to start a profitable HDPE pipe manufacturing business. Let's go through the highlights of today. Overview. Reasons to start this industry. Market demand with production and demand data and opportunities. Market growth projections from 2020 to 2030. Product is used in machinery and equipment. Manufacturing process. Opportunities for new startups. Growth drivers. And lastly, how NPCS can assist you. Without any more delay, let's start. Overview of the industry. HDPE pipes are versatile, durable, and in high demand across multiple industries. They are mainly used in water supplying, sewage systems, gas distribution, and in various places. It has become an attractive venture for entrepreneurs because of its increasing market demand. Now a question arises, why should we start this industry? Here is your answer. Reasons to start this industry. Here is some reason why you should start this industry. Growing market demand. Uses in multiple industries. Durability and cost effectiveness of HDPE pipes. Increasing infrastructure development all over the world. More environmental friendly as compared to other material. Now that you know why you should start this industry, but you should also know about its market demand and uses of it. Market demand. HDPE pipe market is growing because of the reasons we have discussed with you before. Let's take a look at some key figures. Market growth projections from 2020 to 2030. Global market of HDPE pipe was valued at $20.82 billion in 2022. It's expected to be of $31.46 billion by 2030. CAGR rate is expected to grow at rate of 5.32% between 2023 to 2030. HDPE pipes are widely used in water supply and distribution, sewage and wastewater systems, natural gas distribution, agricultural irrigation, industrial fluid handling, telecommunications and electrical conduits, machinery and equipment. Let's talk about the machinery that's needed for setting up its plant. You will need mainly extruders, die heads, cooling tanks, hollow-off units, cutting machines, pipe coilers, testing equipment. To make it short, we will be discussing about its manufacturing process quickly. The processes includes raw material preparation, extrusion, cooling, sizing and shaping, cutting and quality testing. Let's talk about your opportunities in this industry. Opportunities for new startups. As a startup in the HDPE pipe industry, you can focus on niche markets or specialized applications. Develop innovative pipe designs or materials. Offer customized solutions for specific industries. Implement eco-friendly manufacturing processes. Explore export opportunities in emerging markets. You must be wondering about the reasons behind its market growth, right? Don't worry, let's discuss about growth drivers. Increasing urbanization and infrastructure development. Growing awareness of water conservation. Government initiatives for improved water management. Replacement of aging pipeline infrastructure. Expansion of the oil and gas industry. And lastly, we have reached to the point of discussing who can help you in this industry. Do not dawdle over this mere thought, as NPCS can assist you. Now, you might be wondering, how do I get started with all this information? That's where Need Project Consultancy Services, NPCS, comes in. We are here to help you turn your HDPE pipe manufacturing dream into reality. At NPCS, we provide comprehensive services for setting up new industries or businesses. Our expert team can assist you with market surveys, detailed techno-economic feasibility reports, manufacturing process insights, market research, flow sheet diagrams, product mix recommendations, machinery details, raw material specifications, complete project financials. We have worth 30+ years of experience, and our industrial project consultants makes reports as per your need and demand. That's it for today's video on starting an HDPE pipe manufacturing business. If you have any inquiry, you can visit us on our site or reach out to us via contact information that's been provided in the description. Before going off, be sure to turn your bell icon on so that you won't miss on the upcoming business opportunities. Thanks for watching.